there, Sophia here. Thank you for stopping by today. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and welcome to everyone who's come back to watch. I'm really happy to have you join today because I'm going to share with you 7 tips on how to elevate a look. It's very simple. Just one little thing can make all the difference in an outfit, taking it from basic to chic. And the first thing I'm going to show you are some shoes that I have absolutely fallen in love with. They're by a company called VIVAIA. I have 2 pairs here. I'd like to thank VIVAIA Shoes for collaborating with me on this portion of the video. Also, take advantage of their 18% off coupon. I love these shoes. These are the Arias. These shoes are made from 6 plastic bottles, and they're washable, and they're super comfortable. They have a wide toe box. They have a removable insole, which I'm going to buy more of these insoles because I think I'm going to put them in all my shoes. They're super comfortable. It provides arch support. There's a soft little area in the actual shoe where your ankle hits the shoe, which is cushioned. And the bottom is non-skid, anti-slip, so you can just zip around in these, look very stylish. They have them in every color of the rainbow. They have a pair of jade green ones, which are gorgeous. All the basic colors, nude colors, and this gorgeous new color, pitaya. Love it so much. And any outfit is elevated when you wear a pointy toe. Immediately your leg is elongated, even in a pair of flats. So these are highly recommended to elevate your look. The other pair of VIVAIA shoes that I'm in love with is what's really trending right now as well, and it's these square toe slides. It's about a 2-inch heel. I just can't get over how comfortable they are and how very stylish. These look beautiful with jeans. They look great with wide-legged pants, flared pants, a sundress, so many ways. And the next thing I want to show you is some belts. I think that a fabulous looking belt really elevates an outfit. The first one I want to show you is this one by Zara. I picked this up recently. I can't get over the gorgeous belts they have right now. If you're lucky enough to have a Zara near you, check them out. I went to the ones in New York when I was there, but we don't have a Zara here. But I do go online, and I have to say they have a lot to choose from. So I got this one. Love this so much, the way it elevates an outfit and kind of pulls everything together when you want to just do a half tuck or a tuck all around. It's elastic, so you can bring it a little lower on your hips or higher on the waist, whichever way you want to wear it. I bought this really cool jute belt. I thought this was terrific for the summer. I have some kind of gauzy looking outfits that are in white, but I especially like that they match these. This looks fabulous with white and also with cream colored outfits. I'm going to show you the way it looks when you have it on. You just slide it through and you loop it in, and then you can adjust it to any size. You can either tighten it up at your true waist or wear it a little lower, but very versatile and very stylish. And then the third look that I did with a belt, which I think can really elevate a look, is this. I didn't have something in a lighter camel color. This looks beautiful with white trousers, white linen trousers, a white linen jacket with the trousers, and even with a black blazer like this one that I'm going to show you next. Another thing that really elevates an outfit is a gorgeous blazer. I particularly love this blazer because of the shoulder pads in it. You get an immediate slim waist when you have a nice shoulder pad in. I just adore this jacket. They have it at Zara in different colors. They also have a nubbier spring type fabric. Beautiful as well. It looks gorgeous with any top or any even little sweater underneath. I just love it, and I think double-breasted is fabulous. You can also wear it single-breasted, but this is a beautiful, beautiful blazer, and it truly elevates a look. A scarf in your hair is beautiful. I'm going to insert a little clip of how I styled this one. That's a nice look as well. Headscarves are super popular right now. They really do elevate a look. It's playful, it's fun, it's flattering. You can take a square. This is about as big as I would go. This one is perfect for a headscarf. Just a tad smaller. Very stylish. It looks fabulous on. You pull your hair up and you've got a scarf hanging out, and it looks great. The other things of accessories that really elevate an outfit are oversized sunglasses. I always gravitate towards what I call Hollywood glam glasses, and it's these big oversized ones. I also love them in tortoiseshell. I think they're so beautiful for spring and summer. Depending on the shape of your face, you're going to want to find what truly works best with your face. But I would go a little bit oversized if you want to really elevate your look and make it look more chic and elegant. Raffia bags are very big for spring and summer. I found this gem at H&M. I'm in love with this. I think it's so stylish and it's beautifully constructed. It's very lightweight. I just put my phone in here. It has enough space for my wallet, my sunglasses, lipstick, a little mirror, whatever you're going to take with you, hand sanitizer. The beauty of it is, first of all, the color is gorgeous. This with pink, stunning, with white, with ivory, with black, with all the colors, even just a pair of faded jeans, a white cotton shirt, and this, it's just right. And then the last thing I want to show you to elevate an outfit is get yourself a chunky chain necklace with maybe something interesting hanging down, or just the necklace alone without anything, just a nice chunky one, and just go for a pair of chunky earrings. Really elevates an outfit. One thing can make something change drastically from plain to stylish. And if you prefer more of a plain look around your neckline, you can always go for a chunky bracelet. But think chunky as far as jewelry for this season, or a big ring. Something really that catches your attention, either a cuff, a big ring, chunky earrings, or a necklace. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and tune in again, because I have a fabulous fashion video coming up, and I also do hair tutorials and I do reviews of beauty products. See you on the next one. Bye now.